Now, a lot of people are asking me about this particular mining update Texan, if it's actually a legit one or not. So in this video, I decided to explain to you what you need to know about this platform. Some months back, I heard about this platform, but I am yet to explain to my viewers how it works, if it's worth your time or not, and if it's legit or not. So right here in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can set up an account and confirm if it's legit or not. So we are going to be making the review of this particular platform together. But before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what we do right on this platform is to make reviews just like what we are about to do right now, and also leverage online to earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch right now. And for my returning subscribers, I say kudos to you for always coming back to support this channel. Now, like other crypto mining platform, like other projects mining platform, this is also the same thing as what you're going to be having. But right here, we need to make a review to confirm if after mining we can be rewarded on this platform. Now, when you take a look at my total balance, you can actually see I have 1.0 token. Now, the reason why you're seeing this right here was because I used someone's referral code to set up an account for myself. Now, when you're setting up an account for yourself, you keep on following the process until when you are asked to put a referral code. Now, this is what you're going to be doing. I'm going to be pinning my referral code on the comment section, or also attaching them on the screen, so you can use that for your account creation. Now, once you use that code, you'll be given 1.0 points. Okay, this is actually a token, so this token will allow you earn more. So if you ignore using that code whenever you're registering your account, you won't be given this 1.0. So that is why it is advisable you use the code. Now, is this platform legit or it's not legit? Now, what you're going to be doing after setting up your account is to come down to this particular interface. Now, this is a new account. Once you set up an account using the code, you are going to be getting the 1.0. Once you come down right here and swipe this like this, you can actually see that you will start mining. Okay, so you can see that I have started mining on my account. Now, every 24 hours, you will come back and do the same thing. So you can see right here, it says session ends in 23.59. That's about 24 hours. So every 24 hours, you come right here to do the same thing I just did for your mining. That is how this platform works. It is just like other mining platform. Now, does this particular platform worth your time or not? It actually worth your time, because what you're doing right here are not numerous. Just come right here and slide this and you keep mining. Now, this is one way of you accumulating your token on this mining project. However, don't forget to always perform your daily security check. As you can see, daily security check, you have already completed the security verification today. Please try again tomorrow. So you need to always come in daily to perform your daily security check. So when you come down right here, you can actually see that my daily security check is 1.5 token, which I just did, and my registration, which was 1.0 of the particular referral code I used. That is why I advise you to use someone's referral code so you can get your own bonus. Okay, now there are two ways you can use to accumulate your token on this platform. When you come right on that team, you are going to be seeing that you would be given a invitation link. Now, to invite individuals to this platform, all you just need to do is to click on invite more. So once you click on invite more, you are going to be sharing your links. Now, this is one way of you accumulating your token on this platform. Once you keep sharing your link to your friends, you are going to be getting more token on your account, because your friends are going to be using your link to set up an account for themselves. Now, if they're actually mining on this platform, some parts of their tokens will be accumulated on your own. So this is actually an interwoven mining platform where whenever you're mining or your downline or upline is actually mining, this token will actually be accumulated on your account. Now, I've actually showed you one way of you accumulating these tokens on your account, which is the team building. So you just have to come right here and click on this invite more, so you can use your own link to invite individuals to this platform. Now, another way you can use to get more token or keep mining on this platform is to come down to where you can actually see this mining project, where you come right here to slide and you keep mining. So that is the two ways you can use to accumulate your mining speed on this platform. Right here, some of you will ask, how can I withdraw on this project? Now, this is actually a mining project that has not been listed. This is the benefit of what you're going to be getting. But eventually, when this particular Tenaz Mining project lists, they are going to be listing on different exchanges on the crypto market. Now, what you're supposed to do is to keep mining on your account. But eventually they list a certain date, you are going to be seeing the conversion of your mining tokens. The only way you can use to beat mining projects is for you to accumulate more points on your account. And when you keep accumulating more points on your account, your tokens is what they actually needed. Now, this is what mining project does. Most of your revenue, most of the mining tokens you have on your account, they are going to be segmenting it, and some portion of which they will be dividing will be given to your account. That is why most people, after mining, they'll be saying they have some tokens that are little, or some rewards that was assigned to them are little. So the only way you can use to maximize your token right here is these two methods I just showed you. Once you set up an account for yourself, start mining. Another way is for you to bring in individuals to this platform, and you are going to be giving your rewards. Now, the only rewards you can actually get from this is when they actually activate their account and they keep mining. You are going to be getting some incentives out of their mining token. Now, when you come over to this hamburger icon right here, you can see that you have your profile, your referral team, announcement, notification, debit card, and the likes of it. When you come over to your referral team right here, you are going to be seeing the total number of referrals you have and the accumulated tokens you have gotten from these users. So that is how this platform works. It's actually user friendly. But if you are to ask if this is legit or not, most of this mining platform, you can't say if it's legit or not. What you're to do is to keep mining. The main thing is that you're not being asked to put in any funds into this project. Okay, so as of the time making this video, majority of users are into this project and they're mining actively. No one has been asked to deposit any funds into this project. Most of the mining projects will not ask you to deposit. Now, the reason why I will recommend this to you is because you only come in to activate your mining bots every 24 hours. Okay, so once you are able to activate your mining bots every 24 hours, you have to leave the app and come back another 24 hours to activate the mining bot. So this is not actually going to take the whole of your day. Just do this once in a day and come back the next day to activate the bot, and you are going to be seeing your token mining by itself, and also referring your friends to this platform. As you can see that it is actually mining right here. I started with 1.0 token, and right here I already have 2.6. So that is how you can actually start up and start mining. Don't forget to always use someone's code to set up an account for yourself, so you'll be given the 1.0 token on your account to boost your mining speed. Okay, so that is how this platform works, and this is the review I have so far on Tenaz Mining platform. Okay, so you can make your own research to also get some insights on how they work properly and what to tend to expect during and after your mining. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value and understood this review, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to read. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. You can find the links on the pinned comment section where you can actually meet us and also join this wonderful family where we actually leverage online in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.